Hey guys, today we're going to learn to solder properly. Before we get started, be sure to check out the 5 tips video in the corner. Let's get back to this video. We're going to learn about the parts of a soldering station, proper way to solder, a few other tips along the way. Let's go to the soldering station. Alright, this is a soldering station, and I'm going to show you the components of it. This is a soldering iron, which is what you solder with. And you clean the soldering iron with this wet sponge. First, we're going to need to get it wet first. Alright, there we go. You can either use a wet sponge or a brass sponge to clean your soldering tip. When you're really cleaning your soldering tip, you can use flux. This is flux. This right here is the solder. What you do with the solder is you take the soldering iron and you melt it onto a board. So it's kind of like glue for the electronic components, but the electricity can still run through it. These are helping hands. Hold your PCB board. Thank you for watching Soldering 101. Be sure to check out Soldering 101 Part 2. Subscribe. See you guys.